How's it going, guys? Rick. Today what we're going to do is we're going to show you how to replace a broken E150 right side rear view mirror with a new one. Before we get into it, make sure you like, subscribe, share this post. Make sure you comment, give us a thumbs up, and hit that notification button down at the bottom. Thanks a lot, and here we go. All right, like everything else, broken mirror, new mirror. Got to have the new mirror to install it. Open up your passenger side door. Now these, sorry guys, it's raining here in Florida today. These are your tools you're going to need for the first step, and if you don't have one of these, don't panic, because guess what? You can use a flathead screwdriver. But I like these tools. These are, if you're a mechanic or you fixer-upper and you guys are doing a lot of work to cars, door panels, window regulators, things like that, these are your friends. So without further ado, and I'll put the link in the description below for this product. Actually, it's on Amazon, and they're removal tools and really easy to get, and they're super cheap. So first thing we're gonna do is we're gonna remove this door panel here. This is the panel for your mirror that's gonna expose 1, 2 screws that you need to have in order to remove this pesky broken right side mirror. So now there is a third. Yes, there is a third. And in order to get to that third, we have to remove your door panel here. All right, let's take out the first one. Always put my stuff in the stuff that I took out if possible. Oh, there it is, right there. Okay, now let's see if we can pull this straight up. Guys, you won't believe it. I found the last one, and it's down here. It was underneath a freaking cover. So that's how you take off a 1999 Ford E150 or 2000 E150, E250. This is for multiple years Ford van removals of the door panel. Those are the 4 screws you have to take out to get the door panel off, and then it simply, watch this, lifts up and out. And that's how it's done, folks. Now, I'm just gonna let that hang. I'm not gonna take it off completely because I don't need to, because now I have access to the 1, 2, 3 screws I need to get that mirror off, put the new one on. So, this is a 7/16 wrench. It's gonna be your preference if you wanna go a deep socket or not. You don't need it for the top one. You're gonna need it for the bottom one. Excuse me, you're gonna need it for the middle one. When you get these out, make sure you don't drop them because you'll never get them back. So be very, very careful. Even when you're putting on the new ones, be careful not to drop them. All right, now I got to get my extension for the other two. My 6-inch extension. This one's going to be a little difficult to get out because you're going to need a magnet. Or you got to be very, very careful when you take it off. All right, well, the first thing we got to do is disconnect the power mirror. We'll probably be able to do that on the outside. Step you're gonna wanna do, take your T15 Torx screw, take out the speaker. We gotta disconnect the existing wire for the power mirror and install the new wire for the power mirror and connect it so that when you go ahead and select on your driver's side toggle that it works. Front, back, side to side, all that good stuff. Reach in here. There it is right here. I don't know if you guys can see that. What you're gonna do is just pop this up. That's loose now. Now your mirror can come out. That's it. There's your old mirror. We're gonna toss this, put the new one in. Okay, so feed your wire down in there. With the window open, take your first nut, screw it on. That way the mirror can't come out when you let it go. Tighten them all down. Don't forget to connect your power window. Test it, make sure it works. Beaker back on. Speaker back on. Right, door panel. Put your power lock, power window. So we're gonna just go ahead and lift up and push down. Everything lines up. Now we're gonna screw everything in. And after that, we're done. Hey guys, well, I hope you liked my video. Please make sure you subscribe, like, comment, share, and post. And guys, I just want to remind you, this is a free video, so if you could definitely just do me a favor and subscribe, like, and share, and also place a comment on this video if it helped you out. I would love that. It would help me make a better YouTuber, and I can continue putting out great content for you all and not having to rush and drop screws all over the place. So, without further ado, thank you for watching this video. Have a fantastic day.